Network Entertainment.
Spit Manila.
Hi everybody! Welcome to another episode of Tawalets. And today, kasama po natin si
Ding dong.
Aaron.
Carl.
Papu.
And today, ang gagawin namin is, alam naman natin na minsan, nakikinig tayo sa mga podcast episodes for advice. So today, we are going to take some advice and debunk and demystify the advice. Oo nga. Thank you, Carl.
Actually, parang siya, good advice. Bad advice for certain situations. Good advice siya, pero sa certain situations lang.
Gets.
Cliche. Parang yung caveat sa cliche.
Oo.
Yes. So for example, let's say
Sige.
meron tayong
Be positive.
be
Be
positive.
positive lang.
Correct.
Positive. Good vibes lang.
Good vibes
Positive.
lang. Oo.
That is not good advice if you are getting tested for a doctor's appointment, diba? Be positive. You don't wanna be positive for a disease, diba? Can't be.
I think I haven't received this, pero pag sinabihan ka ng be positive sa lamay ng isang loved one,
Yes.
Yes.
That's not the best advice.
parang
to
gusto ko
give.
siya subukan. Be positive lang.
Oo nga, ikaw.
Be positive lang.
Ano pa? Be
Parang
positive.
kapag ikaw yung merong maling ginawa.
Gaslighting.
Oo, tas parang, hindi, be positive lang. Parang hindi.
Hindi
Kailangan mo
pwede.
mag-own up.
Correct.
True. Accountability is key.
Correct. And for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so bago kami sumalang dito sa studio, kami ay nag-research intensively ng kanya-kanyang mga cliche
For
advice.
days.
Yes. Na usually naririnig natin sa mga podcast or naririnig natin sa mga self-help book or minsan sa mga friends nating baduy, naririnig din natin sa kanila.
Or friends nating matino.
Oh, friends nating
Yes.
matino. So, mag-iisip lang kami ng mga scenario at pag-uusapan namin in-depth kung ano yung mga instances kung saan yung advice ay hindi advisable.
Yes. Agreed.
Okay, simulan natin. Sige, I'll start sa aking many-page research. Ano sana?
Oh, dami kasing pages pa po eh. So,
Ano yan eh? Halos thesis na
Okay.
nilabot eh.
Ang akin, lagi nating naririnig mula pagkabata ay good things come to those who wait. So sinasabi to para sa mga taong laging nagmamadali at parang tama ba?
Yes.
Diba?
Sa mga-
Or people who are rushing for
Yeah.
blessings. Parang
Yes.
ganun.
Mga naghahabol.
Correct.
So laging sinasabi, good
Good
things come to those who wait.
may naisip na ako agad na scenario.
Sige.
Na kapag ibibigay mo advice na yan sa isang addict sa casino,
Okay.
Ay,
Sige.
oo. Terrible.
terrible.
Maghihintay ka na lang manalo forever.
Maghihintay ka na lang manalo forever. Tapos lalo ka mauubusan ng pera. Unless manalo ka, which is very unlikely. I mean, odds.
But knowing
Are bad.
people who are addicted to gambling, kahit manalo ka, sasabihin nila, ay, kaya ko pang palakihin to. So,
Good things come to those who
Who
wait.
wait.
So baka kaya ko pa manalo ng 2,300,000. Wala yan.
yes. So, no.
No.
So,
Yeah.
no.
Not knowing na the more they play, the more the law of large numbers come
Works
into play
against them.
din. Yes,
Oo.
yes. So, yung na-eliminate yung beginner's luck at mas nagiging apparent yung odds nung game. Kaya, dapat hindi ka...
Which is most casino games.
Yes.
The odds are always for the casino
Yes.
and
The
not for
house
the player.
always
A house
wins.
always wins.
Yes.
So, kung babaguhin mo yun para sa isang casino player,
Stop gambling.
good things come to those who do
stop
not
gamble.
gamble.
Oh. Tama.
Good things come to those who save.
Yes.
Yes. Who budget. Yeah.
Ako naisip kong situation kung kailan hindi nag-work yung good things come to those who wait ay kapag ikaw ay nasa isang parang abusive relationship or in a situation na hindi maganda. And then every day ito tolerate mo lang siya hoping na at some point it might get better. Kasi nga, di ba sabi, good things come to those who wait. So you try to wait it out and then you end up hurting yourself even more. Kakaantay mo.
Correct. And enabling the bad
Yes.
abusive behavior.
Yes.
Hanggang nasanay ka na doon na yun na yun. Parang tinanggap mo na lang siya.
And the longer you stay, the harder it's gonna to get out. Diba?
Right.
Parang sugal din eh. Ano ba yan?
May mga abusive situations tulad ng sugal at
Relationships.
relationships.
Gets. Parang
Ako
go.
Kung sa mga taong tamad,
Yes.
so hindi lang ako tatrabaho to tell good things will come naman if I just wait for luck or for fate to provide.
Agreed.
So hindi na lang ako masyado gagalaw, effort. Dito lang ako.
Mm-mm.
Tambay na lang ako hanggang may tumawag na bigyan ako ng trabaho. Pero, di ba, may mga ganun tao.
So,
So, hindi sila asenso.
para siya yung age-old kwento ni Juan Tamad na inaantay lang mahulog yung mansanas,
bukas,
di ba?
Sabi niya si Newton nalaglagan ng mansanas eh. Kaya na-discover niya yung gravity.
Sumikat tuloy siya.
Oo, ako kaya ko rin yan.
Actually. So parang ang antithesis pala ng good things come to those who wait ay kailangan mong
Maging proactive.
Yes. You
Yes.
still have to take control of your life.
Correct.
I
And on
think
that
also-
note, I was also going to say for people who are unhealthy and they want to get better pero wala silang gagawin because good things come to those who wait. I will stay the same because the longer I stay the same and wait, the better it will be for me. Kumakain ng chicharon, umiinom ng sugar in a glass. Yan na.
Nice.
Yes. Sorry, you were going to say
I was
something.
gonna say na medyo applicable din siya sa mga nagtatrabaho na for a very long time in a specific company.
And no promotions.
No promotion, hoping they get promoted. Parang naisip ko the good things come to those who wait is a I wouldn't say a boomer mentality sa pagtatrabaho na you can if you can make your own opportunities. If alam mo yun, mag-alat ka ng oras, maghanap ka ng something. It's a very privileged thing also. Para sabihin ko yun. Pero I think, nangyayari din dun sa mga, marami akong kilalang ganun na, naghihintay lang sila, mapapromote din ako dito, ayaw kong umalis. Oo. Toxic relationship din pala eh.
Yeah.
Yes.
So parang ano nga siya, no? Sasabihin yon ng taong ginagaslight ka into wanting to make you think na okay lang yung sitwasyon kung nasan ka.
Yes.
Tama. Be positive.
Napaka-fatalistic.
Correct.
Yes.
Hayaan mo na lang fate will, parang bahala si Lord or
Yes.
so feeling ko galing siya sa mga it's a very colonial.
It's a Spanish.
Yeah.
Bahala na.
Parang darating yung grasya sa inyo so maghintay lang.
Chill lang
In
kayo
the
dyan.
meantime,
Yeah.
I will get your property.
Correct.
Kamkamin ko ang inyong
You will work
yaman.
for me. Ganon. Yeah.
Yeah. Grabe, napakainit ng balitaktakan dito sa
Oo.
episode 9 of Tawalets.
Sige.
Si Ding Dong.
Sige, kunin ko na lang siguro dun kasi nga, siya. Without a struggle, there can be no progress.
Without a struggle, there can be no progress. So para siyang no pain, no gain.
No pain, no
Yes.
gain.
Wow.
Very Catholic.
Kasi kung ginaling mo siya dun sa, naghintay ka lang, wala ka lang ginawa. Ito naman, kailangan mo maghirap para umusad.
Correct.
Very siya, very very Catholic yung pag-iisip na you must suffer. Parang kailangan mo mag-suffer
In this
in this earth para
you
magpunta ka sa heaven.
Oo.
Like,
No.
okay.
No. Without struggle, let's see. Wala akong maisip at
So parang gino-glorify niya nga yung hardship.
Yes.
Baka very much dikit nga siya doon sa parang dikit siya and at the same time kabaliktaran ng good things come to those who wait in such a way na siguro i-advise naman yun sa mga taong nagpupursige without much gain. Kaya nila sasabihin mo yun sa tao, hindi, ano yan.
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang yan.
No pain, no gain, pare.
Kung walang struggle, wala kayong patutunguhan.
Tama. I think there are hindi ako makaisip ng specific na na scenario. Teka lang.
Kunyari sa taong nalulunod, Sasabihin mo ba yun?
Sige, struggle ka
Struggle
dyan.
ka lang.
Makaawa.
Kailangan mo yun,
Oo.
oo.
Oh my God.
Diba?
Oo.
Walo na, mahirap kausapin yung tao na nalulunod kasi.
Hindi sila makaka-respond. Pag namatayan yung tao, okay lang, you can hurt. No pain, no
No
gain.
pain, no gain.
Mm.
I think giving that advice to children is also not the best
yes,
thing,
tama.
diba?
Yes.
Tama,
Without
I think so.
struggle. Now, really, you have to make the child struggle with what? Diba? In school and all of that. So, I don't think maiintindihan din ng mga bata yung purpose of all of that if you need to suffer and struggle.
Oo. Hindi pa kaya ng mga tiny brains nila
Yes.
ma-process yung logic or yung reasoning behind it.
Diba yung mga magulang na pinapalo yung mga anak, yun yung sinasabi nila eh. Parang para
Ay,
magtanda.
Hindi naman sinabi sa akin
Hindi-
yun.
No pain, no gain.
Pero yun yung justification nila, diba? Na parang this will, parang magtanda yung tao at magkaroon ng disiplina.
It builds
Sasaktan
character.
ka, oo, parang ganun. But it does not.
It does not.
It just breaks
It does
them.
not.
Oo.
In fact, I really like how parenting has changed over the past couple of years na tanggap ng mga tao that gentle parenting is really much better for a child's development. This was something that we did not grow up with.
What's that?
Diba? Gentle
What's gentle
parenting.
parenting?
I'm allowed to answer back. Diba? Di yan uubra dati. But now it's a thing.
Oh,
Wala akong maisip sa no pain, no gain. Hala.
okay lang yan kasi marami pa tayong na-research.
Kano? Example, kung, no, di ba usually sinasabi sa mga athletes, sa mga fitness enthusiasts.
Yes. Like you. Yes. Number
Parang
one.
kailangan masakit, kailangan mo sumakit yung muscle mo para sabihin. Pero hindi siya totoo. Hindi kailangan na mamasa-masahan yung muscle mo para ano siya.
Kasi parang dun siya galing eh, di ba?
Yes.
Na sinasabi nila,
Parang kailangan
sisirain mo
maramdaman
yung muscle mo para
Rebuild.
Yeah. So, hindi yun totoo.
Hindi
Pala.
siya totoo. Kasi pwede ka naman, magbibuild pa rin naman yung muscle mo kahit hindi siya sumakit.
Oo.
Kasi di ba parang pag hindi, nag-workout ka tapos hindi sumakit ka the next day, parang siguro may ginawa kang mali.
Oo.
Hindi totoo yan.
Ooh.
Kaya pala, ganyan ka na ngayon.
Because I think muscle tears can still happen
Oo,
even
it
if it's not
Yeah.
painful. So,
At saka eventually masasanay kasi yung katawan mo. So hindi na siya painful.
Pain.
Parang okay, normal na yun sa kanya pag lagi mo siyang ginagawa.
yes, look at this fitness enthusiast here. Correct.
Tama.
Yes.
Parang meron yung sinabi sa mga asawang binubugbog na parang kailangan mong daanan yung pain para may umusad yung pamilya mo. O
Relationship.
ganun.
Terrible.
Okay.
Okay.
Punta tayo sa ating advice number 3.
Go.
Go.
Hanapin ko pa yung research ko.
Sige. Oh,
Meron ka
sige.
pa ba, Papu?
Meron pa ako.
Okay.
Tingin tayo ngayon.
When there's a will, there's a way. So, sinasabi, paano ba yun? Sa Tagalog, kung gusto may paraan. Yun ba yun?
Yes, yes, yes,
Kung
yes.
gusto may paraan. Kung ayaw, may
May
dahilan.
dahilan.
Bad advice na ibigay sa mga magnanakaw.
Mhm.
Bad advice na ibigay sa mga magnanakaw.
Gagawa at gagawa ng paraan yun.
Oo.
Mm.
Oo.
Yes.
Or sa mga
Politiko.
Politico. Actually, that's the first thing that came to mind
Tama.
also.
magnanakaw din naman.
Correct. Same.
Mm.
Synonyms lang pala siya.
Oo. In this
I think-
economy.
Bad advice sa taong nabalian ng boto. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa kanya na parang, oh, there's a will, there's a way. Gagaling yung boto mo. Kailangan mo lang i-will
Yes.
out. Parang, kailangan niya mag-antay eh. Kailangan niyang
True.
pagdaanan
Yan ang good
niya.
things come to those who wait.
Yes.
Yan.
Yes.
So that's actually good advice for David who has an Achilles rupture.
Yung mga nagre-recover, yun yung kailangan
Yes.
mag-wait.
Correct.
Hindi mo pwedeng i-will power yun.
Correct.
Tama. Para sa mga taong nagkakram,
Tama.
parang minsan hindi na kaya na willpower lang eh. Kasi pag meron kang monumental na task, tas parang isipin mo, hindi, ano ko na lang to, kaya ko yan, ako na bahala, i-willpower ko to on the last day, let's say.
Correct.
Parang bad
Pero wala ka
advice yan.
talagang alam. Sabi, math exam. Di, kaya ko to i-willpower, pero wala kang alam sa math. Hindi ka talaga
Wala.
Correct.
I think also for any situation that can drive people into desperation, hindi siya magandang advice. For example, pag marami kang utang, pag sabi mo, if there's a will, there's a way. So, gagawa mo ng ibang paraan, magnanakaw ka, magbebenta ka ng mga illegal na bagay, utang ka sa iba. So, not good advice for that, I suppose.
Not good advice for people who woke up late for a flight.
Oh, yes.
Just stay home.
Diba?
and don't-
Stay home.
Hindi
Rebook.
mo na, kahit gaano ka, i-will mo yun kung traffic talaga.
At saka kung sarado na yung gate, sarado na yung gate. So,
Huwag mo na
there's
awayin
no...
yung mga ano.
Exactly. When there's a will, there's a way. Ano
Speaking
pa?
of flying, parang bad advice din siya sa mga tao na gustong lumipad gamit yung kamay nila. Alam mo yun? parang
Walang
kahit
wings.
anong gawin nila,
Hindi kaya.
even if they have all of the will in the world,
Correct.
the will of the wind, it will not work.
Yes.
It will not.
For people who think they have superpowers,
Yeah.
hindi rin. Because
True.
you can will it all you want and nothing will happen.
Mm-mm.
There's a will, there's a way.
Yeah, parang it ties very well, very closely to yung sinasabing law of attraction or the manifestation na wala ka namang ginawa pero will
Minanifest
mo lang siya.
Tama.
Gets.
Oh, number 4.
Ito na yung
Sa
aking ano.
research ni Carl.
Oo. Ay wait, nasa paywall yung research ko.
Ako hindi siya advice. Saying, time flies when you're having fun.
Time flies when you're having fun. So,
Tama naman.
Bad advice, again, also, for gamblers.
For gamblers, for gamblers.
Kasi having fun ako so dead man lang sa oras.
Oo.
Wala nang ilaw. Hindi mo alam kung may sunlight pa, di ba? Because they don't have windows in casinos.
Or I think bagay sa lahat ng mga recreational activity, I think it's bad advice also na I mean, hindi siya advice, di ba? Pero for example, pag naglalaro tayo ng pickleball, tapos di natin alam yung oras, tapos may show tayo kinabukasan, or nag-bouldering, tapos 2 a.m. na. So parang, wow!
Oras ba kayo nag-pickleball midnight?
May times na parang 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. kami naglalaro.
Oo.
So, gigising kami kinabukasan, parang, bakit natin ginawa to?
Oo.
Bad advice.
Bad advice.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Pwede, paano pag sinabi mo siya sa taong, let's say, sa barkada na nag-outing, na nag-decide mag-shoot ng time-lapse ng human pyramid habang nagsa-sunset.
Ba't ang specific? Nangyari ba to sa'yo? Nangyari ba to sa'yo? Nangyari to?
Akala ko yun yung exercise Mag-isip tayo ng situations kung saan hindi magandang sabihin.
Alam ko nangyari.
Kasi hindi fun yun para dun sa mga nag-human
Sa ilalim. Diba?
Pero sila sa barkada, di ba?
Oo.
Time flies when you're having fun. Tagal pa ba to? Ano pa? 5 minutes pa yung araw. Malayo pa.
Combination yun. No pain, no gain. Good things come to those who wait. Oh, if there's a will, there's a will.
Tama. Applicable sa lahat.
Sa lahat.
Very nice, very nice.
So, nangyari ba talaga?
Hindi naman. Although I would love to try yung parang sa pyramid tapos may sunset sa likod. Wala lang.
Tara, gawin natin sa Zambales. Meron ako.
Okay, sige.
Everything happens for a reason. Parang sobrang vague niya.
Yeah.
That's my...
Parang ano siya it takes control out of you in the sense na parang di, ano to, sa atin nga 'di ba ano yung sinasabi sa atin in God's time, in
God we trust. Ganun.
Parang
All in God's time.
may purpose yan.
Yes.
Kasi nangyayari, justify mo na lang, Nanda, ito yung purpose na to.
After the fact.
After the fact na parang,
A death. You
Yes.
cannot say that to someone who is grieving a death.
Yeah.
Everything's happened.
everything
happens
happens
for
for a reason.
condolence po. Everything happens for a reason. Parang, salamat.
Oh.
Everything happens for a reason.
Pag sinabi mo yon sa, kunyari, ikaw yung boss, tapos, let's say, meron dalawang formidable na candidates for promotion. Tapos yung isa yung pre-nomote mo. So, congratulations. Tapos sasabihin mo dun sa isa, I'm sorry you did not get the promotion, but everything happens for a reason. Parang ano nga siya, no? Parang ganun din eh. Parang it forces you to not do something. Parang tanggapin mo na lang. Tanggapin mo yan dahil may rason
Good things
yan.
come to those
Oo. Antayin mo dadating yung rason. Kung ano man yung rason na yan.
Okay, ang maganda is bigyan mo yung rason agad.
Oo.
Lalo na kung for example dun sa boss, bigyan mo ng rason. Hindi ka na-promote kasi ganito.
Banu ka.
Or pangit ka kausap.
Inis ko tuloy, kung sasabihin mo yon that everything happens for a reason. Nawala. Nakalimutan ko yung sasabihin ko.
Flood control projects going wrong.
Yeah.
Everything happens for a reason.
Kasi kailangan niya ng pera pang kampanya.
Yes. Kaya kayo nawala ng mga bahay.
Tama.
Kaya yung mga binabaha, sinasabihan nila na kailangan nyo mag-struggle para
There you go.
Yes. Actually, parang dikit nga rin yan dun sa, naalala ko, bringing up ko to sa isang discussion natin dati. Hindi sa podcast, sa aming private discussion. Na parang, yung mga nagsasabi ng everything happens for a reason or parang ayan yung plano ni God for you. Tapos parang pwede mo ba yun sabihin, let's say, sa taong naghihirap, yung araw-araw, let's say, naiipit sa MRT, tapos sa commute, ganon.
Or yung walang makain.
O walang makain, di ba? Tapos sasabihin mo yun sa kanya. Tapos parang anong iisipin ng tao, di ba? Parang tayo na mo.
Gago ka.
Gago ka. Parang, kung yun yung plano ni God sa akin, hanap na lang ako ibang God na mas
Thank you na
magaling, di ba?
Oo.
True. I remember this discussion. You were talking about free will, di ba?
Yeah.
Tama.
kasi nga, babalik din siya dun. Kailangan mo kasi mag-struggle para mag-umusad ka. Kailangan mong dumaan sa hirap. Hirap na nga ako eh.
Di ba?
Hindi naman kasalanan niya yun na kaya siya mahirap. Kasalanan naman ng corruption.
Correct.
Exactly. Tapos
Correct,
ang magsasabi pa nun, yung nakakataas.
Yes.
'Di ba? Yung nakaangat-angat sa buhay, sasabihin niya dun sa mas mahirap na hindi, plano yan ni God. Kung magpalit kayo,
Correct.
at ikaw yung makaranas nun, parang gugustuhin mo ba? Hindi mo gugustuhin
Tama.
ever. Kahit sabihin mo sa sarili mo na hindi, ito yung plano ni God for me.
True.
Para sinasabi yan ng mga lumang priests, Catholic priests dati dahil sila yung corrupt. Before, di ba? Nung, like, in ancient time, I'm sure meron pa rin mga establishments in whatever church na may bahid ng corruption. Pero ginagamit nila yan before to control the people. Na hindi nyo kailangan magrebelde, hindi nyo kailangan yumaman.
This is God's
Masanay
plan.
kayo
Masanay
dyan
kayo
sa
dyan.
hirap
Oo.
kasi kasama yan sa plan.
Oo. Ginamit pa yung beatitude sa blessed are the poor in spirit. Diba? Sabi ni Jesus, blessed kayo poor.
Kaya parang kailangan nyo mag-suffer ngayon para maganda yung buhay nyo after.
Habat baliktarin natin at maganda na yung buhay ngayon at walang suffering at all.
Yeah. Pwede naman.
Pwede naman. Or dapat naman.
Oo.
Okay.
Kasalanan talaga.
Ang next natin ay too many cooks spoil the broth. So sinasabi to usually in a group na parang maraming ideas, ganon. Or parang lahat nakikialam, ganon.
So ano siya? So we were looking for advice na maganda siya. Kasi it's parang negative impact to.
Oh, yes.
So maghahanap tayo ng advice na maganda yung impact.
Oo.
Sa improv.
Sige, explain
Wait,
natin.
iniisip ko pa. Wait lang. Let me refine my thinking.
Pwede kasi gagawin siyang good.
Oo, kasi ang negative impact to Yung advice is negative impact. So hanap tayo ng
Hindi necessarily mag-spoil yung broth kung madaming,
Oo.
kasi mas madaming ideas ang nabibigay, mas maraming input. Diba? So yun, parang improv nga na, dahil hindi siya about one person's idea, mas masarap mas maganda yung kinalabasan kasi collaborative siya.
Correct. And I feel like
Labas mo na yan.
Binata.
kapag kasali ang lahat ng tao, very inclusive yung datingan. Everyone feels comfortable, everyone will enjoy, as opposed to just one or two people ordering people to do
And
things.
everyone has a stake on the output. Kasi
Correct.
may ambag ako dun eh. So,
Yes, yes.
Pag potluck,
oo.
Oo.
may kanya-kanya kayong ambag, edi mas masaya siya kaysa mas konti. Oo.
Party.
Is a party.
So dikit doon, inis ko tuloy, naalala ko yung flood control master plan ng Quezon City kung saan nag-tap sila ng researchers from UP para makagawa ng magandang master plan.
For NOAA to, di ba? Tama? Si NOAA din
Oo,
ginamit nila. Project
basta
NOAA.
nag-involve sila ng iba't ibang agencies. Tapos, I think doon applicable yung kabaliktaran ng too many cooks spoil the broth. Kasi for issues na multi-sectoral and maraming stakeholders, tulad ng sabi ni Ding Dong, parang maganda na hindi lang nanggagaling yung decision mula sa isang tao. Like, kunyari, ibigay natin siya lahat kay congressman lang lahat. De-decide niya, parang, gusto ko, lagyan natin yan ng mataas na pink na pader. Kasi,
Rest in peace.
So parang, yun, I think sa instances na maraming makikinabang at maraming maapektuhan, hindi nag-a-apply yung too many cooks spoil the broth. At dapat lahat ng involved, lahat ng maapektuhan ay may say
May say.
sa nangyayari.
So, democracy.
Democracy.
Democracy. Or socialism.
Oo, pwede.
Oo.
Socialist democracy.
Socialist democracy.
So,
Ganun.
since baliktad siya, naisip ko tuloy, kailan siya hindi mag-work? I mean, kailan hassle yung masyado maraming input? Kasi pag-usapan natin sa isang group, diba, sa group setting, mas maganda kasi may accountability lahat, may ownership lahat dun sa decision. And ganun tayo nag-ooperate eh.
Correct.
Parang as tagal and as painstaking minsan ng discussion, parang nag-end up tayo na merong consensus. Kasi nga lahat tayo ay
Yun nga yung
nag-chime in.
downside nun. Minsan, ang tagal.
Oo.
So, kung crunch for time, kailangan may decision at certain point, hindi makaka-decision.
I
Kasi
see.
something paralysis.
Choice paralysis.
Kasi nga, masyadong democratic, masyadong open naman to discussion na napunta na lang lahat sa discussion. And, wala nang decision na nagagawa.
In fact, what if several people don't agree on the same thing? So talagang, nothing will happen.
An impasse. So, parang yung
Parang
parang
Senate.
Senate.
Pass for a few days.
Oo. So, nag-walk out na lang yung nag-boycott yung iba.
Ay, nako. What a show.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Oo.
I think that's applicable really just in the kitchen.
Mm.
Diba? Too many cooks spoil the broth. I'm assuming because
Kasi kanya-kanya silang stations usually sa kusina ng isang restaurante. And then, it's not like many people working on one
correct.
item.
Tama.
Pero kahit madami, you're still building someone's recipe.
Yes.
Parang ganun eh. Kailangan may isang head chef
Oo.
na otherwise, kasi iba yung timpla ng adobo niya, iba yung timpla ng adobo mo. Kaninong adobo yung gagawin natin?
Oo. Miss ko tuloy, kunyari sa newspaper, tas let's say hindi na kayo nagpapa-peer review at hindi na kayo nagpapa-check sa editor.
Ilalatag mo na lang yung
Diretso
article
upload
mo.
lang, di ba?
Vlogger yun.
Blog. So yun.
Kasi wala nang check and balance.
Oo.
Wala nang editor, wala nang gano'n.
So importante din yung hierarchy somewhat. Kung sa kusina yon, 'di ba, meron line cook, sa sous chefs, paakyat ng
Head
paakyat.
chef, oo.
Para just before lumabas sa tao ay ma-check lahat ng kailangan ma-check. Nice. Nice. Oh.
Hi there, my name is Earl, and I'm the host of Philippine Campfire Stories. After this episode that you're listening to, baka naman gusto mong mag-check ng mga horror stories sa mga folklore and urban legends na nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Mga true horror stories shared in a manner na hindi ka naman matatakot pero ma-entertain ka. Go ahead and check out Philippine Campfire Stories, and we have over 200 episodes just waiting for you. See you there!
Sige, si Ding Dong.
Si Arin, wala pa.
Uy, meron ako.
Ayaw nga pala,
Ito.
meron na. Oh.
Shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you land among stars.
Ooh.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oo. I actually really like that advice. Pero sige, mag-iisip tayo ng mga ano.
Oo. So, bad advice siya pag tinake literally dahil hindi siya physically possible.
Kasi malayo yung stars sa
Wala
moon.
yung stars. I mean, maybe you'll land there eventually.
Yes.
Assuming you bypass yung gravity ng Earth
Oo,
and
hindi ka
everything.
tatanong
At,
yung
diba? At tama yung
Asteroid
trajectory mo.
belt,
At,
everything. Oo. Siguro darating ka na nandun, yung kalingkingan mo na lang, nasa star na. Bago pa siya makalapit, magdidisintegrate.
So shoot for the stars even if you miss. Ano?
Shoot for the
Shoot
moon.
for the moon even if you miss, you will.
You'll
Okay.
land on the stars.
Sa basketball,
Oh.
parang di yun pwede.
Tingnan mo lang.
Diba?
Isa
Sige,
lang
shoot mo kahit saan.
If you miss, you
Bata yan.
miss.
Tama pa rin yan kahit ano.
Ay,
Wala
lahat
lang
ng
score.
sport.
Tatama.
Kahit sa football, ganun eh.
Oo.
Isa lang yung goal.
Correct.
Pag nandun ka sa Who Wants to be a Millionaire final round, tapos meron kang 4 na choices, di mo lang pwedeng hulaan lang kasi I think anything that requires precision nga, anything that requires you to hit the moon, bad advice to give.
So sa sports, in life, meron ba siyang bad application?
Iniisip ko.
Kasi diba lagi yun sinasabi, kunyari, pag mag-apply ka ng trabaho, parang sige, apply ka lang ng apply kasi malay mo naman. So dun, okay, I guess nag-work siya.
More chances of winning.
Oo,
Parang
more
ganun siya eh.
chances. Alam ko na.
Ano?
Susugal ulit.
Uli, I was thinking that. Actually, I was thinking that.
Kasi, pag tumaya ka ng tumaya, yes, at some point, baka manalo ka, pero maubos din yung...
Sa color game ganun.
Kapital
Tatayaan
mo.
mo lahat ng kulay.
Ay, oo.
Shoot
tama.
for the moon.
Tama,
Tataya ka ng 20, mananalo ka ng 10 piso, di ba?
Pero panalo ka.
Panalo ka ng 10 pesos.
Pero nanalo ka ba talaga?
Oo.
Oo.
Shoot for the moon because even if you miss, you will land on a star.
The stars pa nga siya, di ba?
The stars.
The stars.
Ano yun? Oo. You land among stars.
Among
Among
hindi pa sa star.
Among.
So, awas
Doon
pa
na,
rin.
Sa mga
So,
gilid-gilid.
sa wala, sa kawalan.
Sa kawalan.
Ganda. Okay. Ang dami pang oras. Time flies when you're having fun. Okay. Hanap pa tayo dito.
Ayun.
Ignorance is bliss.
Oh my gosh.
So, sinasabi to usually sa mga tao, or sinasabi to ng mga tao who refuse to be in the know and who would rather na parang, wala ako dyan, ayokong makigulo. Parang, chill lang ako dito.
I think it's bad advice in general.
Yeah, I agree.
Except for, I can only find one place na okay to is if yung information can trigger you personally at hindi ka pa handang malaman yun. Pero may openness ka pa rin malaman, pero not now. Yun lang siya. Pero otherwise, I think ignorance is never bliss.
Yeah.
Kailangan malaman mo. Yung mga taong naniniwala sa disinformation na ayaw nga maniwala sa actual facts and sabihin lang, they refuse. They refuse the facts because ignorance is bliss. Like, if they find out, masisira yung buong mundo nila. Diba? Parang bad advice.
Bad advice.
Period.
Inis ko isa pang situation kung saan hindi maganda yung ignorance is bliss. Kunyari, barkada kayo na gumagawa ng human pyramid sa beach. Tapos may sunset. Pero 3 p.m. pa lang, nag-pyramid na kayo kasi hindi nyo inalam anong oras yung sunset kasi nga ignorance is bliss. Di ang tagal yung naka-human pyramid. So, di yun applicable.
Feeling ko nangyari talaga ito kay Papo. Hanapin ko sa Facebook yung mga profile pictures. Kung makita ko human pyramid sa Puerto Galero or something.
Nasa ilalim kasi feeling ko. Kasi talaga,
Ang tagal ng sunset. Sobrang tagal ng sunset. Or baka pag kunyari, general, lalabas ka ng bahay at hindi mo aalamin kung ano yung weather.
yes.
Hindi ka ready, wala kang payong.
Wala kang payong or
That is not
mali yung
blissful.
suot mo,
Yeah,
diba?
no,
Parang hindi yun masaya.
Hindi yun masaya. Or feeling ko maganda siyang advice. For example, mag-host ka ng mag-host si Aaron ng isang event about obsession.
Oh.
Wow.
Tapos meron siyang envelope. Tapos pagbukas niya, nakikita niya yung ending ng obsession. Hindi pa niya napapanood.
Bakit ko i-host yun?
Kunwari lang naman.
Okay.
Na-spoil, na-spoil siya. So, like, yun. Ignorance is bliss.
So, pag nanood ka ng sine, mas maganda kung hindi mo alam yung ending.
Tama naman.
Ayun, that's
Ay, ganun pala yun.
Hindi ko alam. Siya applicable.
Oh, binabasa ko palagi sa Google. What's this movie about? What's the ending?
I think pwede rin siya sa maraming mga chismis about people na, it's better that I didn't know this. Parang ganun.
Tama din.
Because it could be true, it could be not true. But if you know it, meron ka ng bias tungkol sa tao. So,
Hindi mo na ma-unsee, unhear.
correct.
Lagi kong naririnig sa mga tao around me. Alam mo yung mga tao na parang takot magpa-check up or takot sa doktor. Dahil parang in their minds, mas gusto nila na hindi ko na lang alam kesa magpa-doktor ako at malaman yung sagot. I think bad advice yung
Very
ignorance
bad
is
Very
bliss
bad
doon.
advice, oo.
You end up,
Dying.
yes.
Possibly.
Surprise ka lang. Everything happens fast.
You know what? Yes, because good things come to those who wait.
wait. But no pain, no gain. No pain, no gain.
So, kailangan mong magpa-check up para malaman mo. Kasi pain yung knowing eh.
So you gain the insight and the foresight of what to do.
Ganda. Meron pa?
Oh,
Yes.
meron pa? Oh, this podcast episode is brought to you by
Dun, 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 dun.
Honesty is the best policy.
Okay. Honesty is the best policy.
Parang very connected siya sa ignorance is bliss also. Eh, diba?
Sige nga. Let us unpack that.
Dahil, kung ikaw, ignorance is bliss, na magpapacheck up sa doktor, si honesty is the best policy. Kailangan niya sabihin sa'yo yung totoo para mapagaling kita. I think, yun yung pinaka-connection na naisip ko about it. Is it good advice? I think so.
I think it's good advice with the caveat of how you deliver the honesty.
Totoo din naman. I
Kasi
think,
kung real talk to real talk.
Brutally honest.
Gamitin ding weapon na parang, hindi, honest lang talaga ako kaysa sabihin ko na mapangit ka.
Correct.
Parang mapanakit naman.
weaponized yung weaponized honesty.
Parang-
Validation for that.
Yung pagiging mabait will still trump yung honesty.
Being kind is
Kind
better than
over
being
nice.
right.
Right.
Be right.
right.
Kind or nice kasi iba. Pareho lang sila. Oo.
Yung mga Japanese, meron silang concept ng parang inner thought and yung actually sasabihin mo. So, ang tawag nila ay hone and tatemae. So, yung hone, yun yung parang, yung iniisip mo talaga. Pero iba yung sasabihin mo dahil ang mas gusto mo ay to keep the harmony amongst society. So, kunyari, meron kang kaibigan na dumating na late. Parang ikaw, nainis ka na parang ba to? Late. Laging late. Pero hindi mo yun sasabihin sa kanya. Kahit yun talaga yung nafe-feel mo, pero dahil alam mo na makakagulo siya ng harmony kapag bringing up mo, hindi mo na lang sasabihin. Parang minsan feeling ko okay siya and hindi at the same time. Kasi parang, I guess, very selective or very...
Kasi ginagawa naman natin sa Pilipinas yan, di ba? Lalo na sa family
Wala lang
dynamics.
tayong term for it.
We prefer to keep the peace sa pamilya na
Ang
tipong
nangyari tuloy, hindi na siya
hindi na-resolve
brave
yung
space kasi masyado siyang safe para hindi ma-offend, ganun. Maging people pleaser ka na lang. Pero karga-karga lahat mo yung hinanakit mo.
at saka nagiging chismis siya.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kasi lumalabas siya tuloy sa pagwala yung tao na yun. Tsaka siya pinag-usapan.
So, is honesty the best policy?
May inisip akong situation na, for example, umuwi yung isang bata galing school tapos sinabi lang ng tatay at nanay niya out of nowhere, Greg, ampon ka. So parang hindi mo lang pinhanda yung bata. honesty is the best policy when the person receiving is ready. When the person is receiving it is ready.
Tama.
See.
Pag nag-consent yung person to receive
Oo.
honesty, ganun
Or
ba yun?
the advice in
The
general.
advice in general.
Parang yun nga, naging unsolicited or weaponized yung...
In the meantime,
Question.
ignorance is bliss.
Oo. Ignorance is bliss for now.
For now.
For example, I thought of a situation that you, parang in connection with what you said, honesty is the best policy. What if meron kang kaibigan, tas alam mong yung jowa niya ay nangangaliwa? This person is not ready to hear that. But is honesty the best policy
Oo nga,
in
no?
that
Ang
situation?
ganda.
Pero marami kailangang i-juggle. Pero yung pinaka na-receive ko advice, nakikita ko sa Reddit about that kasi ang daming ganun. Diba? Parang they always say, just tell that person. Parang up to them na if how they want to process or
Kasi kung magalit
who
man
they
siya,
want to
magagalit
believe.
siya for now, but eventually ma-realize niya yung tama yung ginawa mo. Pero meron din like, yung ayaw namin si jowa mo, wala lang nagsabi sa'yo.
But nag-intervention
nararamdaman,
kayo.
parang pinaparamdam lang, parang eventually, pero nanggaling pa rin sa'yo yung choice na, oo nga, no, walang
Totoo.
kwenta yung jowa.
Totoo.
Oo.
It has
Whoa.
happened.
Yes.
Yes, it has
Kay
happened.
ano,
It
alam,
has happened.
parang alam ko kung
Kilala mo ba? Parang
parang
hindi.
nasabi nila.
Nasabi nila.
Nakwento
Nakwento
kasi
na.
yun.
Ah.
To keep the peace.
To keep the
Nag-chismis.
Oh my God.
Correct. And I actually saw recently on TikTok, parang there were these two creators. Come with us to tell our friend that her boyfriend is cheating on her. Tapos, kinuwento nila, like nakaganyan yung camera. Kinuwento nila sa babae. Tapos ayaw niyang tanggapin na totoo. No, you're lying to me. You're lying to me. So, kinausap nila yung isang girl. And they said, would you like to meet this girl para malaman mo ito yung isang babae? So, they invited the girl over. Tapos sabi ng friend, no, that's not true. She's AI. As in, nasa harap niya. No, that's not true. She's AI. This isn't true because he loves me. Ganun. So, hindi talaga siya ready. And even if they were honest, walang nangyari. Nag-away pa yung dalawang babae instead of fighting the guy. It's weird. Pero nangyayari siya.
Baka kasi isip niya, ignorance is bliss.
Di ba?
Ayaw niya
Totoo.
tanggapin yung reality.
May naisip naman ako na situation. So may gumagawa ng human pyramid.
Sa
beach.
Sa beach.
Sa beach.
Tapos sunset, di ba?
Oo.
Pataas na yung ano. Halfway there na sila. Dapat nagre-record kasi time-lapse. Yung nagre-record, na-realize niya pala, kalahati na, patapos na yung sunset. Hindi niya pala napindot yung record. Sasabihin ba niya? O hindi.
Ang saya-saya na nila eh. May barkada
Kasi
eh.
time flies when you're having fun, di ba?
Sabihin ba niya o hindi?
Kung ikaw yun, sasabihin mo ba?
Oo. Para bumaba na kayo dyan.
Try ulit bukas.
I have bad advice. Nice guys finish last.
Nice guys finish last.
Elon Musk is like at the top of the world.
That's true.
But he's a bad guy.
But he's a bad guy.
Kailan
He's a
yun?
bad guy.
Kanina yun sinasabi sa mga bad guys.
Sa mga
Hindi ko alam eh.
sa mga bad
Sa mga
guys.
torpe, I think.
Yung,
Nice guys finish last.
yung parang I think sinasabi yon nung mga asshole sa
mga nice guys.
sa nice
Sa
guys.
nice guys.
Diba meron kanta yung
To
nice
toughen them
guys
up.
finish last. That's why I treat you like trash.
Oh my God.
Yun
Anong
yung
kanta
kanta,
yan?
yun yung kanta eh. Hindi ko naalala ko lang siyang nagpop siya sa aking utak. Okay. So, kailan
Kailan siya?
magfi-finish first yung nice guys?
Oo nga, hindi ko rin alam, actually.
Kasi parang ano siya eh, parang dikit siya dun sa dog eat dog world, di ba? Yung
Yes.
parang, tabi ka dyan, ako muna. Kasi ako yung mas dominant. Parang ganun.
Tama.
So, kailan yun hindi applicable?
Hindi applicable.
Oo. Kailan yung eat or be eaten mindset.
Dun sa sa fable ng tortoise and
Hair.
the hare.
Mm,
'Di ba? The nice guy finished first.
yes.
Correct.
Kasi mayabang.
Kasi mayabang si Oo.
I would say sana sa sa panliligaw, kaya lang may mga kilala akong babae that like the bad guys.
Pero kamusta in the long run?
Diba? Agreed.
Pero ang hirap kasi ang daming kailangan i-define. Like, what is a nice guy?
Correct.
What is finishing?
Yeah. Oh, we have time. We have time. Pag-usapan
Parang
natin.
ano yung finishing?
Sige, for the purpose of this discussion, ano ang nice guy?
Kind.
Abides by the rules.
Abides by the rules. Good citizen.
Model citizen, yes.
And then ano yung finishing?
Oh,
Maybe.
I think yung mga context, for example, sa panliligaw,
Okay.
kailan siya mag-finish? Kailan mo masasabing nauna si bad guy or nauna si nice guy? Para na
Sinagot, ganon.
Oo, sinagot. Naging girlfriend.
Okay.
Parang ang panga din kasing isipin na may competition yung panliligaw eh.
Correct.
Diba?
Correct.
Kasi depende pa rin dun sa kung ano yung preference ng girl. Kung mas mahilig siya sa bad boy, di dun siya sa bad boy. Tapos magsisisin lang siya pagtanda niya. Naging totga tuloy.
Gawin na lang natin siya sa sa corporation, sa
Sa
trabaho.
trabaho,
Ayun.
sa negosyo, let's
Sa
say.
negosyo.
Okay.
Parang merong ibang mga negosyo who would choose to do their business in a scrupulous way just to get a leg up sa competition, di ba? Meron
Tax
silang mga
avoiding.
tax avoidance, kung ano-anong dishonest practices, and then meron mga negosyo who would play by the book. So, applicable ba dun ang nice guys finish
I
last?
think so, oo. And I think it's
That's a problem.
Oo, that's a problem.
That's a problem.
Kasi diba, para maging bilyonaryo ka, kailangan mo talagang mag-exploit ng
Yeah.
tao. Parang
Totoo.
Hindi ka pwedeng maging good person to be a billionaire.
But then, at the same time, is being a billionaire the best thing in the world also? Parang,
Yeah.
Parang in terms of like money, yes.
Masaya.
They
Money,
finished,
pero
Yes.
the nicer guys finished last.
Masaya ka ba? Ewan ko
yun
lang.
lang, yan
Pero,
lang. Totoo.
may pera ka.
Kasi nga parang in a world na finite ang resources, parang you amassing that much means meron kang kinukuhanan na iba. And I think ganun lang din talaga nag-ooperate yung capitalism eh. Parang it will only work kapag merong kang kinukuhanan ng kapital at pina-funnel mo into you. Otherwise, hindi siya. Magko-collapse yung capitalism as a system.
May naisip akong situation where the nice guys finished first. For example, my birthday cake dyan. Tapos kukuha kayo ng tigi isa-isang slice. 'Di ba? So yung mabait, una na kayo. Sige, una silang lahat. Tapos yung cake pala panis.
Buti na lang.
Oo, so yung last guy, yung nice guy. Sige, panis pala, hindi na lang ako kakain. Winner.
Correct.
Meron akong naisip, na, hindi ko, parang, meron nga mga instances no, na parang kung hindi ka first pick, you end up na in a better spot.
Si Adam Lambert.
Okay, fine.
Tama
Eh, sa lahat ng second place na American Idol,
Tama.
Mas sumikat
mas
kaysa
sumikat.
Correct.
Kahit sa Drag Race, parang lahat ng
ng second.
I would say all the one-hit wonders. After now, we know what the music industry is like in the US. Yung one-hit wonders pala, ang hindi, parang they didn't subscribe to what
system.
the system and
Yeah.
what they had to do to get famous. So in the end, ligtas pa sila. But the famous ones are very rich. So,
They had to sell their soul.
but they had to sell their soul. So, may ganon.
Tama.
Yes.
Oh, marami pa tayong oras.
Marami pa ba?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi.
Konti na lang pala.
Konti na lang.
Konti lang. Because time flies.
Because time
When
flies
you're
and we're
having
having fun.
Ayun na lang ang bigay sa atin yung oras because
They're having
ignorance
fun.
is bliss.
Yes, ignorance is bliss. And good things come to those who
Do
wait.
it. Tama. And since you waited for the last part of our podcast, this is the good thing.
This is the
This
good
is the
thing.
Our last advice is the good thing.
Meron ka.
Sige, go.
Make today ridiculously amazing.
Oh, so parang seize the day na.
Parang
Kailan siya bad advice? Make,
Ridiculously amazing.
parang live your day as if you're last. Para siyang ganun, no?
That's bad advice, I think, for someone who doesn't have a lot of money.
Okay.
Because the next day, wala na siyang money. If he made it ridiculously, diba? Parang, okay, I'll travel today. I will eat all the good food today. Bukas, wala na siyang pera.
Bad advice for someone who is literally dying.
Yeah.
Oh, kasi I can make it, how do you make it amazingly
Ridiculously
amazing
amazing.
kung
Kung-
bedridden na
Correct, correct.
in pain ka na.
No pain, no gain.
Bad advice siya sa mga taong merong responsibilidad or let's say, may mga taong nakadepende sa kanya. Let's say sa politician, kunyari. Or kahit sa nanay. Or sa mga ganun na parang if nag-seize the day lang sila at inisip lang nila yung sarili nila without considering yung mga tao na nakadepende sa kanila, paano naman yun? Paano naman sila?
Tama.
Agreed.
So, importante pa rin na parang yes, you take every day, parang enjoy mo yung bawat moment, pero at the same time, isipin mo na meron pang next at kailangan mo rin paghandaan yung future na yan.
Parang like, it doesn't have to be ridiculously amazing, pero okay naman siya na to have just an okay day.
Yes.
Bad advice siya ibigay dun sa mga kakagraduate lang na mga estudyante at nag-isip na, tara mag-outing tayo. Alam niyo yung rumor na yun.
Bago graduate.
Bago graduate.
Bawal mag-outing.
Oo.
Alam niyo ba yun?
No.
Yung advice.
Hindi ko alam.
Advice, parang if you're graduating, parang huwag kayong mag-outing kasi may aksidenteng mangyayari. Parang malas daw siya.
Malas yun.
Interesting. Okay.
Bad advice to give to a group of people who are on the beach na walang ginagawa. Tapos sabihin nila, tara, gawa tayo ng human pyramid.
Time-lapse natin.
Time-lapse natin.
Bago mag-sunset.
hanggang mag-sunset.
Okay, to wrap things up, kami po ay magbibigay ng aming original advice.
Wow.
Para sa a generic original advice that will
That is
potentially be cliche. And syempre good din. I mean, lahat naman ng advice ay good to a certain extent. Sige. Mag-iisip muna kami. Habang nag-iisip kami, merong commercial.
Yes, this is the commercial. Ta-da!
Maraming salamat to our sponsor. Nakita po yung commercial namin. Sobrang ganda po nun. Ang bango-bango po namin lahat.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
Ito na yung huling advice, di ba? Yung akin, kung nararamdaman mo sumasakit na ang leeg mo, tumingin ka muna sa iba.
Ay, ganda. Ganda.
Okay.
Ganda.
Ako, do to others what you would want done to you.
Oo nga, very original.
Very original.
Very original.
Yes. I came up with that just now.
Ako naman ay hindi lahat ng semento ay matigas.
Oh, that's very, I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
Wala to yung kwenta yun.
Uy! Go lang.
Wala, naisip ko lang be average.
Ganda.
Kasi good
As
advice, pero pwede
original.
rin siyang maging bad advice.
Yes,
Tama,
yes.
tama.
Tama.
All right. So thank you so much for listening to this episode. We hope you enjoyed. We hope time flew while you had fun. And see you in the next episode.
Yes, remember to make every day ridiculously amazing.
By laughing. Tawalets.
With speed.
Bye.
Spit Vanilla.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.